Hello, this is Tyler White with Survivopedia. I'm here today to talk to you about the Survival MD book, What to Do When There Is No Doctor. So the topic in this video is going to be natural dental remedies, all right? And that's on page 38, 39 roughly. Right after the section on dental preparedness and strategies, toothache, swollen jaw, oral injuries, we go into natural dental remedies. Now, it says, when dentistry was nothing more than extracting teeth, there existed a number of dental remedies that you can help with your dental health. Most of these are simple plants and herbs that you can keep around. It talks about green tea, clove oil, aloe vera, and a few others. It goes into depth on what they do and how they can help. It also talks about vitamins for dental health in order to keep your mouth in good condition. Now, something that I'd like to cover before I go into depth on that is prevention is better than treatment. Long gone are the days where you could die from an infection. And it's still a possibility, but it's not a probability like it used to be. It used to be you could scratch your finger pulling roses out of the yard or whatever, and that little pinprick can get infected and can kill you because we didn't have the understanding or the availability of antibiotics. That gives us the ability to keep our teeth. So back in the day, when our teeth would fester or rot or crack, we didn't have any way to fill the dental, to fill them, dentistry was pull it out, right? They would break it out, they would pull it out so that it wouldn't become infected and it wouldn't affect the jaw and it wouldn't kill you through sepsis and whatever else. When you don't have a dentist to drill and fill and to correct your teeth, that's going to become a massive issue. So if you're looking for a temporary solution, clearly prevention is the #1 solution, right? If you don't have rotting teeth because you're eating right, you're brushing your teeth on the regular, that's the biggest and best thing you can do. But if we're behind the 8 ball and we got to a situation where we do have something going on that might kill us because we don't have access to antibiotics, that's where we're going to start talking about natural remedies. Now, a key takeaway to this is if you're going to do some prepping and have some preparedness there, have a long-term ability to brush your teeth. This means toothpaste and so forth, and find out about antibiotics, get a hold of them legally, find a way that you can use them and which ones work for which things so that you don't misdiagnose and create a worse problem than you started. When it comes to natural dental remedies, green tea was an interesting thing. I think most people should have access to that. There's a lot of tannins in green tea. It used to be used to tan hides. So that means it's going to be antimicrobial. It's going to kill stuff. Can be drunk as a way of stopping the growth of oral cancer cells and is believed to actually kill cancer cells because of its antioxidant power. Clove oil can treat toothaches. Rub some clove oil on a sore tooth and it will feel better. Candula or echinacea to soothe sore gums and treat thrush in the mouth. They're good herbs of all kinds for yeast-related infections. One thing about echinacea is if you've ever just chewed on a dried echinacea root, it's intense. It's like concentrated Listerine. It's very, very strong, which is something that's kind of interesting. Another thing that I like to use because it's very prevalent where I live is yarrow. The majority of people will find yarrow growing in their yard. It's got a fuzzy leaf and a purple root. Don't mix it up with something else. But if you clean and dry that, or if you're just hiking and you recognize it appropriately, you can chew on enough yarrow and it's an astringent and it will basically make your teeth go numb. So if you do have a sore tooth and you're having pain in the backcountry, that's a good way to both stop bleeding and deaden the pain slightly. Add that to the salicylic acid that can be found in a 1-inch square of willow bark, and you've got ibuprofen and yarrow, there's no really equivalent to that, and a way to deal with your teeth. Okay, hopefully this is valuable to you. That's just one small section of the book called Survival MD, What to Do When There Is No Doctor, and thank you for watching.